Think milk is the best source of calcium? Think again. While milk is good, there are other foods that pack even more calcium, and some might surprise you. So today, I'm revealing 5 superfoods with more calcium than milk to help you build stronger bones, better teeth, and a healthier body. 1. These little seeds are a calcium powerhouse. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more calcium than a glass of milk. 2. Almonds aren't just a snack, they're a calcium-rich superfood. 1 cup of almonds has more calcium than milk. 3. Sardines are one of the best sources of calcium, especially because they come with soft, edible bones that are rich in minerals. 4. Tofu is a vegan-friendly calcium bomb. Half a cup of tofu can contain more calcium than a glass of milk. 5. These tiny seeds are calcium gold. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds has more calcium than a cup of milk. Which one of these calcium-rich superfoods is your favorite? So, if you thought milk was your only option for strong bones, now you know the real calcium champions. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting tips.